बम गोला बारूद आप बनाते हैं।
बहुत ही लोअर मिडिल क्लास मान के चलिए तो उस समय थे, लेकिन बिजनेस शुरू कर दिया। दृढ़ इच्छा और एक संकल्प, ये जब दो चीज़ें मिल जाती है ना, तो मुझे लगता है कि यदि वो पूरा उसका संकल्प है, चाहे मुझे कुछ भी हो, और इच्छा उसकी दृढ़ है, बलवती है, तो एक कोई अदृश्य शक्ति, उसको भगवान बोलिए, प्रकृति बोलिए, या जो भी कुछ समझिए, वो उसको या मनोबल बोलिए, उसको वो उसको साथ देता ही है। जैसे मेरे पास में फिर मतलब कुछ भी नहीं बचा, इवन दोनों टाइम खाने के लिए या सोने के लिए भी वो नहीं था। तो वो मेरे लिए 2-3 महीने बहुत ज़्यादा मुश्किल के थे।
Hello everyone. Today we will discuss the journey of C. Satyanarayana Nuwal, who is a founder of Solar Industry. Solar Industry deal with explosive, and he is also a 72 richest person of India. Satyanarayana Nuwal was born and bought in Bhilwara, a village in Rajasthan, and his father was an accountant for government, and he was belong to a very poor family, and his grandfather used to run a small grocery shop. So when C. Satyanarayana Nuwal was a 5th and 6th standard, then he used to sit over there at his grandfather's grocery shop. He completed his study till 10th standard, and after that he visited Mathura with his friend Gurudev, and over there he tried his hand at a small businesses. After that, when he returned to Bhilwara, he has a numerous small business experience, and even over the next 7 years, Nuwal doubled his experiences into different company like manufacturing ink for fountain pen, leasing company, and transport company. At the age of 18, Nuwal started the business of chemical and trading, but somehow he couldn't get success. At the age of 19, he got married, and up to 1976 to 1977 he struggled a lot, and finally in 1997 Nuwal went to Bhallarsha in Maharashtra with his distant relative, because his relative was working at Western Coalfield in Bhallarsha. For 3-4 months, Nuwal used to sleep at a railway station because he couldn't have money to pay for accommodation. At that time, Nuwal didn't lose his confidence, and after that, in Chandrapur, he met with Abdul Sattar Bhai, who owned the explosive license and magazine, but wasn't actually pursuing that. Then Nuwal discussed with him for 2-3 days that if you are not using that license, then give it to me, I will pay you 1000 per month. But Nuwal was not able to pay even 1000 for 1 month. Then in a very smiling way, Abdul says that you can pay me quarterly. Over the time, people became aware of Nuwal's magazine, and clients were looking for a storage of ammunition, particularly for use of coal mines. Manufacturing of ammunition back then was largely done by ICI. For that reason, in 1984, Nuwal expanded his business to become an consignment agent for ICI and became the one of the largest dealer of explosive business in India by 1980. But in 1990, government started giving a manufacturing license of explosive to small companies due to shortage of business. Then Nuwal thought that if we want to grow, then it won't be worth it to carry out the trading business. Then Nuwal had to give up his rights as a consignee for ICI. It was risky, then to Nuwal did it. To set up a manufacturing plant, Nuwal raised 60 lakh from Bank of India and with saving. Initially, he started manufacturing slurry explosive, and after that he involved into manufacturing of detonator and bulk explosive. At that time, Coal India was the single biggest client for solar industry, which uses solar industry's explosive for its mining. And within a 10 year, solar industry became the one of the largest manufacturing of explosive. And by 2006, company wanted to go public, and at that time company's turnover was 78 crore and company's profit was 11 crore. Now this company is generating more revenue from export because this company is providing its product from a different country also. And solar industry has a project from ISRO and Indian Army. So guys, if you like this video, to watch more video on entrepreneurship, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.